Thanks for joining in with me today. Really quick, I'm going to go over what is going on. So this is actually episode 2 of our Manipulating the Cells series. And today we're going to be playing with silicone once again. So what I've done is I have thickened up my premixed paints. However, I'm still trying to figure out exactly what the recipe is. So I hope to reveal that in the next episode. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. This color scheme gives me like an oceany island vibe, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, friends, here we go. Today we're using a pre-mix ready to pour acrylic paint, and this is by Artist Loft. However, I'm always experimenting and decided to try and thicken it up just a little bit for my preference, just to see if it would affect the outcome. So I'm still tweaking this recipe, but I added some heavy gloss gel medium to thicken it up a bit, and just a very small touch of American Floetrol to each color. All right, ladies and gentlemen, check out our final result. I am in love with this beige color. I think it added an unexpected depth to all of this instead of just having the plain white. As you can see, some of my paint fell off the sides, and so I'm not particularly happy that it happened, but I mean, I'm learning. We're learning together. So ultimately, I would love to see the cells all stay on the canvas and not lose any, like right here. But guys, check out this gorgeous orange and cream, and look at all the colors in between the cells. Once again, family, I appreciate you for watching, especially watching to this point, because it's almost over and most people don't watch to the end of the videos. Anywho, as always, remember, family, do every single thing with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Please take a look at my new Facebook group. I have put the link below. And I hope you are enjoying this series. If there's something that you would like to see done with silicone, go ahead and put a comment below. And until next time, I will see you later. Peace.